Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. TAILI grab bars for bathtubs and showers. 2-pack suction grab bar, heavy-duty shower handle, removable bath handrails for seniors and elderly, bathroom safety grip, no drilling, waterproof, gray. Matters need attention. For the safety of the seniors and elderly, please pay attention that the suction grab bars for shower only sticks on smooth and non-porous airtight walls which are not air-permeable like metal, glass, tile, marble, stainless steel, and acrylic, but does not apply on uneven tile, unfinished marble, wallpaper, dry wall, porous wall, etc. Please don't put all the body on the shower grip. Easy for installation. Each suction cup shower handle equips 2 strong suction cups with locking latches to provide stable protection. The bathtub handrail only needs to pull down the latches with 5 seconds and the installation is done, quickly and effortlessly. No drilling, no screws, no glue, and no tools are required, fully removable, reusable and causing no damage to your wall. Safety to users. Each shower bar's safety is fabricated with an anti-slip strip on top of the handrail, which creates strong friction to better keep your hands on the grab bar. Thanks for watching and subscribe.